Yan ang pictures ni Liza. Cheerleader and model aspirant. Yan ang kanyang pupong ng kanyang ate Nadia. Starting to play already with the pom-poms. Can you see? Bonggahan, nagtundot na rin pala si Liza. At 1 year old. Or maybe computer expert someday. Marunong nang mag-click, double-click, and drag ng mouse. And kausap na yan ni Daddy Mel sa Facebook, sa Twitter, and sa saan ngayon, Mami Ned? Yan, Simply Liza Janelle. Nakataas yung kamay ni Liza. Thanks, Mami, and that's Liza Janelle. Okay, ito ha, tingnan nyo, her simple dance. Ayan talaga yan, totoo talaga yan. Hindi masyadong nakita sa aking audio-video presentation. Anyway, ito si Liza talaga yung personal. Pag ikaw yun binibigyan nyo yung kanyang ulo. Familiar sa kanyang song kasi pinireport na din yan before. Okay, that's Liza. Yay! Performer. Yan. Raise your hand. Everybody raise your hand, kids. Ayan. Dance, 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 dance. Wiggle your hands. Wiggle your hands. Yay! Patak-patak naman daw. Ulit. Ayan. Wiggle your hand. Gayahin si Liza. Everybody please, kids. Raise your hand! Ayan, talagang super video si Tita, Natitingin kay Tita lang, Arnie, Liza. Mamaya na, uploaded na yan para makita ni Daddy Mel. Bongga, bigo-bigo ang ating celebrant, At 1 year old. Manang-mana sa lolas. Hala. Bongga. Parang hindi napagod ang ating Liza. Tinkerbell. Okay. Thank you, Liza. And thank you very much daw sa iyong pagdalo.